How AI helps with smart inventory management and accurate forecasts. In today's dynamic business environment, AI is pivotal in enhancing inventory management for greater efficiency and accuracy. So, what makes AI inventory management smarter? AI leverages predictive analytics to analyze historical data, market trends, and more. Businesses can consider factors like seasonality, market dynamics, and even external factors to make real-time demand forecasts. AI systems can automatically reorder inventory, ensuring product availability when needed. Businesses can significantly reduce carrying costs by minimizing excess inventory and optimizing ordering. How AI helps make forecasts more accurate. It employs techniques like machine learning models, real-time data analysis, optimizes inventory optimization too, enhanced decision-making, and more. Are you ready to revolutionize your inventory management? Get in touch with us today. www.valuecoders.com